Good morning, Rutgers. I'm Weather Watcher Sam Coplin here giving you your Wednesday, October 10th, 2018 forecast. Let's get right into it. So first looking at your almanac, we had a morning low of 65 degrees, which is well above our average low of 45 degrees. And closer to our average high of 68 degrees, we had a record high of 89 back in 1939 and a record low of 27 all the way back in 1895. You can see your sunrise and sunset times at the bottom of the screen, and those days are getting shorter and shorter. So looking at your headlines for the week, we're going to discuss Hurricane Michael as it exploded overnight just south of the Florida Panhandle. As that moves north and a cold front moves east, we're going to have the potential for heavy rain Thursday. And then in between rain systems, we're going to have a gorgeous fall weekend in store. So let's jump right into Michael. Here it is on radar. You can see a very powerful storm. You have a symmetrical look to it, and you have a very well-defined eye. That's a sign of a major hurricane, and that it is. It's a Cat 4 right now, just south of the Pensacola region. And what this storm is going to do is it's going to force water up into this region right over here, the Big Bend of Florida. And that's going to be a very dangerous scenario for Florida. The one positive with this one, though, is that it's going to be accelerating off to the north and east as it continues to move north, because a cold front's going to give it a nudge. And then by Thursday, it will already be impacting our region as a much smaller storm. So I'll get to that in the future cast. But first, let's look at Wednesday today. It's going to be a warm, muggy day out there as we have those south winds coming on in. As we continue the future cast, you could see coming in from the south and from the west, we have that cold front as well as that tropical influence, giving us downpours along the I-95 corridor. And within these storms, it could be damaging winds as well. As we continue the future cast on into Thursday night and Friday morning, you could see whatever is left of Michael just off the coast of New Jersey, but I wouldn't worry about it too much. All the models are saying it's going to stay just off to the south of New Jersey, and at this point it's going to be a tropical storm maybe, but it's still going to rough up the surf, and it could still increase the clouds as well as the winds slightly across the region. So looking at your current temperatures across the state, everyone is really has a leaping pad for a warm day today. 72 up in Sussex, 70 Toms River, and 73 in Millville. Everyone well above average for this time of day. Taking a look at your day planner for New Brunswick. At noon, 77, 3 p.m., 81, and at 6, 78, so just very warm conditions out there. I'll look ahead overnight. It's going to be 72 degrees. We still have that south wind keeping us warm in cloudy conditions, trapping in the heat. Stepping back to look at your 7-day forecast, you can see today is going to be very warm. Tomorrow's still going to be warm, and then Thursday night, we're going to get that rain coming in from the cold front and a piece of Michael, and that should linger into Friday morning, but as we're a lot cooler, 63, and look at that beautiful gem for the weekend. 60 Saturday, 62 Sunday, and then the chance of showers returns for early next week. So as always, you could catch us every 15 minutes on channel 23.1. You could follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/RUWeatherWatchers. You could follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW, or you could use the hashtag RUWeather. And make sure to subscribe to us on YouTube at RUTV Weather Watchers. I'm Sam Coplin. Have a great day, Rutgers.